Why the hell you get it? All right, y'all see that? Check engine light on. Guys, let me tell you something. $5,000 later. Now, get a load of this. They left the floor mat in there. Imagine that. It came from a Derman shop. But here's what I want to talk about. Hey, do y'all see this? Yeah, 3.2. The baby brother to the 3.6. Typical 3.6 Pentastar. Y'all see this? Yes, it's Mopar, but who the hell cares? An intake manifold. Why would a shop put on an intake manifold unless it's cracked, hole stripped, or anything like that? Y'all see this? Nice, pretty cooler. Why would a shop put on a brand new cooler unless it's leaking or some internal problem? I don't know, but here's the thing. None of this crap. I'm talking $5,000 address this lady problem. Oh yeah, don't let me forget. The cam sensors are brand new. You can't see it. It's under here and it's over there. Cam sensors brand new. Spark plugs brand new. This car is still missing. Now here's the deal. So y'all see that? $5,600 is the amount that they just spent. Again, none of the problems was addressed. Now I'm getting to the point where now I just can't blame these Derman shops or these Derman mechanics or these cousin Pookie ass mechanics. Yeah, it ain't their fault. It is their fault, but technically consumers have to be smarter than this. Guys, let me explain something to you. And I hope some of my consumer subscribers are watching this. You got to get in the habit, if you have a car that have problems, of taking your car to somebody, to a facility that specializes in your vehicle. Guys, I'm gonna tell you something. And again, I have friends that's out there in the independent world. Nothing against them or the part of the industry they're in. However, you stand a better chance of getting your problem fixed if your vehicle is at a facility that specializes in your car. Okay, yes, a shop just can't these days specialize in every make and model. Yes, they can work on every make and model. There's a difference between working on and diagnosing every model. There's a major difference. Just because I can do a water pump on any car out there does not mean I can diagnose it. So they took their car to just a random facility that say they can fix it. I'm gonna tell you something. On the long video, I'm running out of time. We're gonna dissect this receipt. Okay, this receipt is some disturbing information on this receipt. They charged her $1,000 to do this cooler. I don't know what this costs. It's all on the receipt. We're gonna dissect it once I redact some of the information. I don't want everything out there, but we're gonna dissect that. For instance, you cannot bring me no damn Buick and tell me to diagnose your car. I don't want to diagnose that damn thing. I don't know, guys. I'm lost for words here. You gotta understand, okay? Experience matter. If you work on a certain brand a lot, you know everything about that brand. They're here. They just spent $5,000, and I'm not gonna lighten up. I'm gonna diagnose the real problem and tell them it could be $5,000 more dollars. You know what that means? It will be out of 10 grand for a 9 grand maybe vehicle. Yeah. Okay, I cannot help it. You went to that sorry ass shop and why the hell you get it? Yeah, I cannot help that. Okay, on the full video, we're gonna dissect this receipt and we're gonna talk about some things. I mean, everything on this thing new and it's still, yeah, they just, oh my, you have to make better decisions on where you take your car. If that facility has never seen a freaking, this is a typical Jeep Cherokee or a 3.6 Pentastar. Yes, everybody can do these, but everybody can't diagnose a Pentastar. Everybody can replace a Pentastar oil cooler, but everybody can't diagnose a Pentastar. Everybody can look down here and see if something leaking and replace it, but it's not gonna fix drivability issues on a, people, please, we gotta do better. Stay tuned for the full video, man.